Okay guys, back again. We got some packages for me from Cipta Mandiri Computer. Let's open this. I already prepared for test this too. Okay, let's go. I will open like the pattern. They are packaging. This is video for film if something happen. Okay. This is fuel safety. Still doesn't touch it. We buy ADATA SSD SATA connector, SSD with SATA connector. The packaging is safety enough. It doesn't seem it's safe. Okay, we're trying another product on another store. So hard, sorry. Yeah. The packaging is very tight. You can see how hard to open this. So hard, very hard. That means it's very safety. Okay. Actually, things like this is doesn't need the safety like this, because the things is already shockproof. Already shockproof. Doesn't need a safety like this. When you put in the computer, it's shockproof. You see, very hard to open. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's insane. Insane. Just like this. Okay, it's very tight to put this. Okay, remove. This is ADATA 120 gigabytes. This is the specifications. Okay. 2 years warranty. Pull to open. Okay. Oh, it's already open because they need to put this out to put the guarantee. Okay. These the things. Okay. SATA connectors, and I will try to my docking. Let's start the docking. Put in here. Okay, start the docking. It's with table. Oh, I will put to the computer. And this is the proof that we buy. See, I buy this. This is the proof, and the specification is like this. Okay. Operating temperature, storage temperature, shock resistance to 2 million hour, 3 years guarantee. This is the dimension, this is the weight, only 2.1 oz. Interface with SATA, 6 GB per second. system with 3D NAND form factor 2.5, brand new. Okay, continue to our laptop. This is ready to use. You can see this, the name is ADATA. Oh, it's not formatted. Okay, as you can see in here, it doesn't appear, but when we check in the device manager, there's ADATA SU650 USB drive. And when you see more closer, you can see this, and in the disk management, when you check in the hard disk sentinel, you can see this is excellent, good, 0 days 0 hour, 5 times starting. And then you can see the temperature is works. This with contain with a temperature sensor. This is the another informations. Okay, everything okay. So thank you for watching. This is the things, and this is some requirement again. It's variety statements. Yeah, okay, this is it. So thank you for watching.